Hallo Klasse 6 Schüler, heute lernen wir Lektion 5 meine Familie Grammatik. Das ist Seite Nummer 34. Possessive pronomen. Here they have given the possessive pronomen with the meanings. In more details, I have written this same thing here for you. These are the nominative case possessive pronomen. All the personal pronomens I have written here, and these are the possessive pronomens. In English also we have learned the possessive pronomens already, like I, my, you, your, he, his. Same we are going to learn now in German. Ich, if it is a masculine or neutral noun, we use mein. If it is a feminine or plural noun, we use meine. It is same like Marathi. In Marathi what we say, माझा pen and माझी bag. Okay, so it is similar like Marathi but not exactly as it is, because the nouns in German has the different articles than Marathi also. It is not always same. So with du, dein, deine means your, sein, seine his, es, sein, seine its, sie, ihre, ihre her, wir, unser, unsere means our, ihr, euer, eure spelling different means your, small z, ihr, ihre means there. For small z, ihr, I small. Capital Z, capital ihr, capital ihre means your formal. Now this table you have to make in your notebook or on a chart paper and stick in front of your study table. Now how to apply this? Let's see. The Übungen 1. Ergänzen Sie die possessive Pronomen. Ich habe ein Haus. Das ist mein Haus. Now in this case you should know the correct article or the gender of the nouns which are after the blank. House is das, neutral hai. I have one house and this is my house. In the row of I, ich, as house is neutral, we have used mine. See the second example. Du, wo wohnt dein Vater? After du there is a comma. That means you are directly speaking with someone. Okay, so relationship is informal. And Vater is masculine. So in the row of du, in the masculine column, the answer is dein. Here they have given some more examples. Wir lernen Deutsch. We learn German. Unsere Deutschlehrerin heißt Frau Müller. Our female German teacher is called as Mrs. Müller. Kinder, comma, wo ist eure Klasse? Klasse female hai. And you are directly speaking with Kinder, that shows with this comma. Your relationship with children is informal, so you will refer this personal pronomen ihr, and for plural we have the answer eure. 5. Das Kind hat sein Heft nicht. That child doesn't have his notebook. Notebook das hai, so we are going to refer the neutral ka column, and das Kind means it is a S. That's why we are going to use the sein. Now for your understanding I have written all the articles. With there it's always er. If it is das it is S. The feminine we use she wala z, and if it is the plural then we use de wala z. On this page 35 there are some more example. Erika hat ein Auto. Erika has one car. Dash auto is neu. Her car is new. Erika is a girl. So for Erika female hai, so we will use z, and z auto is das auto, so we have got the answer ihr. Herr Brown, comma, is das ihr Bild? Now see, you are directly speaking with Mr. Brown. Your relationship is formal z. That's why this will come capital ihr. Bild is das Bild. Fuller is their Fuller. Vater is their Vater. And Bücher is plural. See the next example. 8. Wo ist mein Fuller? Where is my ink pen? Da liegt doch dein Fuller. Oh, there is your ink pen. Was macht euer Vater? What does your father do? Unser Vater is Kaufmann. Our father is businessman. Now euer मतलब your boats or the plural वाला. So in this case we are talking with more than one child. Nummer 10. Wo sind die Kinder? Where are the children? Ihre Bücher liegen doch hier. Their books are situated here. Now in this case Kinder plural है, so small z वाला they we will use, and Bücher plural है, so we will use this वाला ihre. But then you will ask me why this I is capital, because it comes in the beginning of the answer, that's why I have written this capital. I hope the possessive pronomens are clear. In the Arbeits book we will solve some more examples, so it will be more clear to you. Now let's solve the Übung 2. Beantworten Sie die folgenden Fragen. So depending upon this Lektion 5 text which we have already learned, here they have given this exercise. Wer hat eine Schwester? Who has one sister? Erich hat eine Schwester. Just make it eine. Yes, make it eine. Wie alt is Lisa? How old is Lisa? Lisa is 10 Jahre alt. Nummer 3. Was mag Klaus Wohlmann? What does Klaus Wohlmann do? Is Techniker. Nummer 4. Wo arbeitet Frau Wohlmann? Where does Mrs. Wohlmann work? Zu Hause arbeitet Frau Wohlmann. Nummer 5. Wann ist Erich bei Opa und Oma? When is Erich at the place of grandma and grandfather? Am Samstag ist Erich bei Opa und Oma. On Saturday. So this was our course book Seite Nummer 35 of Lektion 3. In next video we will complete our Arbeitsbuch of Lektion 5. Till then, tschüss.